In this video, I'll tell you 4 steps in the SEO process. These are keyword research, technical SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. In keyword research, we want to determine what people are looking for on the internet and what words they use when searching for something. This helps us to create content to solve their actual problems. Then we have technical SEO. In technical SEO, we technically optimize our website so that, first of all, search engine crawlers can easily crawl our website, and secondly, we try to improve the user experience of our website. In on-page SEO, which is the third step, we use the keywords we found during the keyword research and create our content. On-page SEO helps us to increase the relevancy of our website pages against different keywords. Then the last step is off-page SEO. In off-page SEO, we promote our content all over the web to increase its authority and popularity. This helps us to rank higher in the search engines. But also keep in mind, all the 4 steps work together. If any one of these goes wrong, then we won't get the desired results. I've dedicated a whole section for each step so we don't miss a thing.